Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will walk in the rainforest and view the freshwater streams. With every step into the rainforest, the world outside fades away. The air gets heavier, thick with humidity and the smell of wet earth. Ahead, the sound changes. A gentle murmur becomes clearer. We're following the freshwater now. This is the balance of the rainforest, the dark, cool earth below, and the light breaking through the ceiling far above. Sometimes we don't need a destination, you just need a path and the sound of water. Following a freshwater stream is different. You're not walking on the earth, you're walking right alongside its pulse. Every bend in the water reveals something new. A small waterfall, a deep, quiet pool. The light dancing on the surface. No destination needed, just the sound of the water. And the next step. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscription box and turn on the notification bell to watch more videos.